Fried eggs in bean paste. So I had like a little bit of bean paste to add to the oil to give it like this golden crust that has a very good flavor to it. As you can see, the other side doesn't have as much of the crust as the other side is, but it gives it a very unique flavor. And the navy beans that I made the other day, and I have spinach and kale and broccoli. So it's made a very good soup here. Hopefully, I'm paying attention to what I'm doing. So that's like I was mentioning, having a different doneness of vegetables gives them a very unique flavor to them. So it's fried eggs in bean paste and bean soup. So that's what I was mentioning last time. I usually make, I make something that's simple and hearty and delicious. So and that's as that. So I thought, just kind of a side thought that I'll just kind of record this one while I'm at it, because I end up forgetting most of the time. It's very good. Very good. Enjoy the spinach. Pretty much about just blanch it blanch it on the soup as it comes out, so it's just barely cooked. So there you have it. Next time, might as well I record making something, because just one of those things. Most times when you're hungry, thinking about eating and not thinking about making something. But I've kind of had people requesting it, so here you go. Bon appetit. Thank you, Lord, for the food, and thank you for providing. And yes, that you provide those that don't have, Lord. Amen. Okay, now I did cut my dog, as you can see, they're already growing back again. I did cut him, but it don't take my nails long at all to grow. So I did cut them, but they're already growing back. So just one of those things. Anyway, have a blessed one.